What's up, everyone? Nice to see you here online in this closing segment. 28 divided by 28, which equals 1, and 28 divided by 28 equals 1. Now we have this problem, 1 divided by 1, which equals 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations, we must do this division, then this division, and at last this division. So we have first this division, 28 divided by 28 equals 1. So we have 1 divided by 28 divided by 28, and we can write this part as 1 over 28 divided by 28. So we must keep the first fraction 1 over 28 and change division to multiplication times, then flip the second fraction 1 over 28, which equals 1 over 784. And this is our final answer for this problem. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more videos.